minute sa inyong mga laptops. Ba? Kung merong wala, ang gagawin natin ay tayo po ay manghihiram para ma-practice kayo. Okay? So, ito na may napakadali. Merong procedure dito. All you have to do is to follow. And for the interpretation, so sobrang dali lang din. We'll just check if meron ba tayong data that falls outside the control limit. Okay? So, para masabi natin if the process is in control or out of control. Okay? So, for control chart for variables, so let's have an overview for X bar R chart. So, use X bar R chart to monitor the mean and the variation of a process when you have continuous data and subgroup sizes of 8 or less. So, we are using X bar R chart. So, if actually 10 and above or more, so we are using X bar S chart, right? Okay. So use this control chart, the X bar R chart, to monitor process stability over time so that you can identify and correct instabilities in a process. So for example, a manufacturer a manufacturing engineer wants to determine whether the production process for a new plastic product is in control. So operators sample 5 units every 5 hours for 20 hours, every hour rather. So operators sample 5 units every hour as you can see here. Okay? So you have here the sample mean, yung nasa taas, and the sample range. So the points vary randomly around the center line. So you have here the upper control limit, which is your average mean. Okay? And the other one is right. Okay? So the points vary randomly around the center line and are within the control limits for both the chart. Okay? So no data falls outside or no points fall outside the control limits. Okay, so no trends or patterns are present. The strength of the plastic product, therefore, is stable across the 20 subgroup. Ganun lang. Okay? So, since pag gumamit tayo ng Minitab, automatic, magagraph na siya. And from there, we can see if there are data that falls outside the control limit. Okay. So where to find the control chart? So to create an X bar R chart, so later on, we'll try sa ating mini-tab. So choose stat, control chart, variables, chart for subgroups, and X bar chart. So mamaya na natin to i-apply, okay? So when to use an alternate control chart? So for subgroups that have 9 or more observations, again, we're going to use the X bar S chart. If there is a consistent source of variation within the subgroup, we are going to use the individual moving range, okay, RS chart. So if you do not have subgroups, use the IMR chart. If your data are counts or defectives or defects, use an attribute control chart such as the P chart, U chart, or C chart. So this one naman is a separate Minitab application. Okay. So what are the data considerations for X bar R chart? So the data needs to be continuous. It should be in time order. Yan, sorry nawala. Again, the data should be continuous, in time order, should be collected at appropriate time intervals, should be, hindi nalipat. Pero can you hear me? Wait, nasa na tayong slide? Ayan, moving na. Moving na.
Hindi po rin po,
Nasa
ma'am.
na kayong slide?
Slide 11 po.
Slide 11. Bakit 11? Nasa slide ano pa lang ako? Slide 6. Anong nasa inyo? O yan, sa pinaka-start. Nasaan kayo?
11 pa rin po.
11 pa rin.
11 pa din
Ano
po.
ba yun? Wait. Kasi wala ako sa number 1. Wait, unshare ko lang ha. Pero currently, nasa slide 6 na ako. Wait. Wait lang. Tapos nawalan ako ng connection. Wait lang ha. Ano ga daw nangyari na sa akin? Ayan, lumilipat na.
Yes. Opo, ma'am.
Okay na? Okay na, John Gerald?
Yes po, ma'am.
Kayo ay hindi audible sa akin. Kayo ang choppy ako. Ay, meron din. Ayan na. Pero nakagawa na siya. Angge, wait lang. Pahingi to si Caesar number na answer key. Game na. Okay, ulitin natin ha. So, use X bar R chart to monitor the mean and variation of a process when you have continuous data and subgroup size of 8 or less. Okay, use this control chart to monitor process stability over time so that you can identify and correct instabilities in a process. So, for example, a manufacturing engineer wants to determine whether the production process of a new plastic product is in control. Operators sample 5 units every hour for 20 hours and assess the strength of the plastic. Okay, as you can see here, no data falls within the outside rather the control limit. Okay, and the points vary randomly around the center line. So nagva-vary siya. No trends or patterns are present. So therefore, we can say that the process is stable across the 20 subgroups. Okay. So where to find this control chart? So later on, we'll know kung saan ba siya makikita sa ating mini tab. Okay. Another, so when to use an alternate control chart. So for subgroup size that have 9 or more observations, we're going to use the X bar S chart. If there is a consistent source of variation within the subgroup, use IMR or chart. If you attribute control chart, for expert charts, so the data needs to be continuous, should be in time order, should be collected at appropriate time intervals. Size should be 8 or fewer observations. So collect an appropriate amount of data. So the appropriate amount of data depends on the subgroup size. If the subgroup size is less than or equal to 2, collect at least 100 observations. If the subgroup size is 3, collect at least 80 observations. If the subgroup size is 4 or 5, collect at least 70 observations. And if the subgroup size is 6 or greater, collect at least 60 observations. Another considerations, the data do not need to be normally distributed, and the observations within each subgroup should not be correlated with each other. Okay. So say for example, a quality engineer at an automotive part plants monitors the lengths of camshafts. 3 machines, so you have machine 1, 2, and 3, manufacture camshafts for 3 shifts each day. The engineer measures 5 camshafts from each machine during each shift. The quality engineer creates an X bar R chart for each machine to monitor the camshaft length. Okay? So, let's open nga your mini tab. So, i-unstop presenting ko to. Ang i-open ko ay si mini tab. So, try natin lahat sabay-sabay. Again. Bakit panghina ng ano? Sige, wag mo na akong bakit kayo ganun? Lagi na ako walang connection. Wait, paano to? Wait lang ha. Ay, okay lang pala. Kita nyo ba sa yung screen? Yes po. Or,
Yes,
yes, or you can directly open yung file na sinend ko. So, let's have first yung camshaft length. So, open nyo si camshaft length. Yung machine 1, 2, 3. So, paki-thumbs up naman kapag ka na-open na. Kapag naka-open na po. For me to know if I will proceed or bakit ako nawawalan? Lumipat lang ako ng ano. Okay po, okay na? Na-open nyo na? Sabay-sabay tayo? Desiree, na-open na po ang Minitab.
yes po.
Okay, yan. So, if na-open na ang Minitab, na-open na yung file ni camshaft, di machine 1, 2, 3, punta kayo dun sa stat. Ayun, kita ba? Sa taas. Katabi ni dun sa file, edit data, calc, stat. Click si stat. Na-click nyo na. Click si stat. Click si control chart. Click si control chart for subgroup. Click si X bar R. O, dapat yan ang makikita ninyo. Ah, hindi nakikita sa inyong screen. Ba't hindi nakikita? Wait. Ba't hindi nakikita?
Ma'am, try niyo po yung ano, yung open po yung mismong desktop. Kasi hindi
Yung
po
mismong,
talaga sila makita.
wait lang ha.
Yun po ang share.
Which one? Ida-direct ko na. Wait.
Yes po, ma'am. Para po
Sige,
po.
sige, wait. Okay, sige, sige. On. And wait lang ha. Kay Luis. Wait, wait. Ayaw ko din. Ano nga, paano nga, Desiree? Ayaw pa din eh. Hindi lumabas. Wait, close ko. Close ko muna ulit. Tapos unshared ko. Wait lang. Ayaw. Ang hirap kasi pagka ano. Ayaw talaga niya. Hindi siya lumabas. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Can you hear me?
Yes po, ma'am.
I don't know why.
Try niyo po kayang i-entire screen na lang po.
Ha?
Entire screen po yung isi-share niyo po.
Iaano ko? Wait. Saan siya? Saan? Open picture in picture? Wait. Ay, hindi ko to alam. X. Wait lang. Bakit ayaw? Siya, sige. Kung ayaw ako, ito na lang. PPT na lang. Kasi nandoon naman siya. Wait. Nawawala kasi yung connection. Slide 8 ba ang nasa inyong screen? Ha?
Yes po.
Okay. Sige. Kayo na lang. Procedure na lang ipapakita ko ha. So, you open the sample data, which is the camshaft length. Na-open nyo na. Tapos, wait, yan, nawala. Okay? Nung na-open nyo na yan, you choose stat sa taas, then control chart, then variable chart for subgroup, then X bar. Oh, you just follow this one. Stat, control, variable chart for subgroup, then X bar. Then, nadi-disconnect ako. Na-follow yung ano. So, ibig sabihin, di ba, this one is the first, okay? You click stat, you click control chart, you click control chart for variables, then X bar R chart, right? Okay, thumbs up nga kung naka-follow. Tapos, ilagay niyo yung cursor niyo dito sa may, itong malaki na, ano na to, itong portion na to. Okay, dito. Then, i-highlight nyo yung machine 1, 2, and 3. Then, click nyo yung select. Nandito yung select. Ito. Okay? So, nakalagay na dun yung machine 1, 2, 3 nyo. John Gerald. I'm not talking to Mark Gerald. Ang arte mo. Yun kaya ang nag-ano. Na-follow? Na-follow? Siya? Oh, are you there? Nasaan naga? Sino bang kakausapin ko dito? Para alam ko kung ano. Aha. Desiree. Nalagay na yung machine, 1 to 3. Ano ba? Okay, balik. From stat, you click control chart, then you click control chart for variables, then click X bar R. Then after that, dito sa space na to, i-highlight nyo yung machine 1, 2, 3. Itong tatlo, machine 1, 2, 3. Iput nyo yung cursor dito, tapos i-highlight nyo to, machine 1, 2, 3. Then click select. Then put natin yung cursor dito sa subgroup sizes. Then click subgroup ID. Okay? So dapat machine 1, 2, 3 nandito. Then subgroup ID nandito. Then click nyo yung X-bar options. Then click OK. Kapag na-click na yung OK, you will be directed dito. So, click nyo yung test kasi dun ata kayo nakalagay sa parameters. Sino ba to? Mr. Manrique.
Pa,
Punta ng test. Tapos, i-click yung 1 point is greater than K. I-click nyo si 3, si 9, at saka yung 15. Ito, 3, 9, 15. Wait, check ko. Yan, tama naman. O sige, ganito na. Sir Gio, hindi kasi siya mag-ano. Wait lang ha. Ano ko kay Sir Gio? O dahil mabagal ang net ko. Wait lang, para sabay-sabay. Galing ka North Pole. Sir Gio, ayaw niyang mag-ano. Hindi ako makapag-share screen. Wait, unshare. Hindi ko to ma-share. Hindi ko magalaw. Hindi makita nila. Wait lang ha.
Sabi mo kasi mo wala kang klase.
Ano gari? 2087? Oh, ayaw.
Paano mo nakikita? Di mo
Wait lang. Saglit lang po hati naman. Kaya nga, pag kinilik ko tong stat, hindi na mag-ano sa kanila. So, ano ba to? Stat. Kung hindi lumalabas sa kanila.
share sa ano mo, whole screen.
Paano? As in, ganyan?
Hindi.
Buo?
Sa window. Entire screen.
Nakikita niyo na ba?
yes po.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige. Ulitin natin ha. So, na-open na natin yung file. Then, click Stat. Control Charts. Tapos ay variable chart for subgroup. Then, X bar R. Okay? Tapos, click nyo to. Doon sa may drop down. Then, lalabas yung C1, C2, C3, and C4. Okay? Tapos, i-highlight yung machine 1, 3. Then, you click select. Click nyo yung subgroup ID. Select. Okay na, naka-follow. Na-follow po.
Yes po.
Hindi ko pa alam. Kaya nga. Minsan lagi ako nadi-disconnect. Wait lang, ako po ay, wait na. At ako'y join sa para kita ko kayo. Para ako'y kita. Okay, then click natin si X bar R option. Yung basta ang kilikili ko. Hawakan mo pa.
Kita ko pa sa screen talagang ginagawa.
Then click nyo yung test. Ba't wait lang po. Hindi ako papasok. Ano ba? Lagi na akong illusion network connection.
KH. E.
Irita.
Di ba na ako?
Ma'am, naka-mute po kayo mo.
Ayan.
Criterion ay inirang ko na siya. Tapos yung...
Ang gagawin ko dito. Teka, hindi. Ayan. This one?
Di ba mamumute?
Halos point something lang yun.
Which one?
So, kailangan ko ding
Okay na.
i-pairwise ito.
Okay na? Ayan, okay na.
Ina-normalize ko lang.
Okay.
din yung-
Wait, yan. Para kita ko.
Ito priority.
Okay, so again, you click start, control chart. Please let me know kung nawawala ako ha kasi yung connection ay ayan, napawala-wala. Kakainis na. Hindi na nakatapos. Game. So you click control chart, click control chart for subgroups, then X bar R. Then after that, you put your cursor here. Lalabas si machine 1, 2, 3. I-highlight. Pwede, kabayo. Yan. Tapos, select. Okay, lalabas siya dito. Then, doon sa subgroup size, ilagay si cursor. Then, click subgroup. Yan. Tapos, i-click natin si X bar R options. Okay. Then, punta tayo sa test. Click natin si 3, 9, 15. Bali, 1, 2, test 1, test 2, at saka test 7 yan. Ang sabi, if we are not certain kung anong gagamitin, so we can use test 1, test 2, test 7. Then, click nyo si OK. Na-click na si OK.
Tapos, sila ang nag-sum.
Yes po.
Sila nag-average.
Na-click na. Okay, yan. Thank you for the reply, response.
Oh,
Then, click natin ulit si OK. Then, you will be direct machine 1, 2, and 3. Yan. So, meron tayo yung sample mean and sample range for the 3 machines. So, meron tayong machine 1, meron tayong mean and range result. Same with your machine 2 and machine 3. And andito na rin po yung test results for X bar, R chart. Yan. As you can see here, sa X bar R chart natin for machine 1, sa mean, meron tayong isa na nag-fall outside the control limit. Yan. For the range, okay naman siya. So, all the data ay nag-fall inside our, walang nag-fall outside. So, lahat ay okay. Then, for machine 2, lahat ay in control. And for machine 3, meron tayong isa. Okay, yung data to natin. Excuse me po. Okay, isa, dalawa na nag-fall outside. So, sabi dito, for test 1, 1 point more than 3 standard deviations from center line. So, test failed at 0.8. So, for machine 3, so, ito yung dalawang machine na may
sabi niyo ay user lang
out of control. Okay, test 1, machine 1 and machine 3. Same ba tayo ng nakuha na result? Class? Hindi, yes. So, nakuha na. Yan. Then, say, so, ang interpretation dyan, so the engineer looks at the R chart first because if the R chart shows that the process variation is not in control, then the control limits on the expert chart are inaccurate. So the R charts for all 3 machines show that the process variation is in control. Okay, tama? Yun sa R chart, lahat ay in control. Ang merong problema ay sa X bar. Right? Test 1, machine 1 and machine 3. Okay? So no points are out of control, and all the points fall within the control limit for the R chart. So the X bar chart shows that the machine 2 is in control, but machine 1 and 3 are not on out of control, but machine 1 has 1 out of control point and machine 3 has 2 out of control points. Okay? Yan. Then, how about the X bar S chart? So, i-open naman natin same din ang data considerations for the X bar S chart. So, open naman natin si Canway. Open natin si Canway.
Hindi ka kaya ng create. Tapos saka mo gagawan ng ganun yung tinuro, yung value. Oh.
Lang. Canway.
Critic nga sir.
Na-open niya si Canway.
Critic at saka entropy.
Yes or no?
Lang yun. Kung marunong sila mag-ranking. Mag-pairwise. Okay.
Ano ba? Yes, network connection.
Ipalit ka ng internet.
Nakailang palit na nga ako.
Nasaan ka ngayon?
Papalipat-lipat na nga ako eh. Madami pa yung...
Diyan ka na magsalita.
Okay. Sige, click niyo si
Ang
start.
kasi nag-YouTube.
Okay, then click niyo ulit si control chart. Click niyo ulit si subgroup. Then X bar S chart. Okay na?
Promity na lang,
Paano
sir.
ba ako maririnig din eh?
Promity.
Wait.
Lalo na mas mahirap ang promity.
Wait lang.
Mali din sa simula.
Yan. So, lagay nyo ulit okay na doon. You click stat, you click control chart for subgroup, then X bar S chart. Tapos, yan. Sa drop down, you click weight, then select, then the subgroup size, you click the subgroup ID, select. Can you still follow? Okay. Then you click X bar, S chart, then click nyo ulit si test. Then same again, click nyo si test 1, 2, and 7. Can you follow? How about the others? Okay, okay. Then click OK, then OK. So you'll be directed again with this result. So as you can see here, sa ating mean X-bar chart, meron tayong isa na data that falls outside the control limit. Okay. Can you still follow? Okay. Yan. So, it says here that 1 point more than 3 standard deviations from center line. So, meron tayong test failed at point 3, as you can see here. But here, no data falls outside the control limit. So, we could say that the process is in control. Ganun lang, kadali. Ay, di ang dali nga. Okay na. Bukas din ako doon.
Oo, yun din ito.
Nagets po yung X-bar. Nagets po. Parang same same names. How about yung iba? Okay. Yan. I don't know if that's true. Yan. So, if okay na tayo dito, so we're done with the X bar S chart, X bar R chart. Wait. Yan. So, if we are going to interpret the data again or the results, none of the points are outside the control limit for the S chart, right? This is standard deviation sa baba. And the points display a random pattern, thus the process variation is in control. And the engineer can examine the process center on the X-bar chart. So, again, as you can see here, meron tayong isa na data that falls outside. Ano? So, meron tayong 1 point that fails test 1. So, 1 point more than 3 standard deviation from center line on the X-bar R chart. Yan. Then how about for the IMR chart? Okay. So use individual moving range chart to monitor the mean and variation of your process when you have continuous data that are individual observations, not in subgroups. Use this control chart to monitor process stability over time so that you can identify and correct instabilities in a process. So for example, a hospital administrator wants to determine whether the time to perform outpatient hernia surgery is stable and whether the variation in surgery time is stable. Because of the data that are collected in subgroup, the administrator uses the individual moving range chart to monitor the mean and variation of the surgery time. Okay. So say for example, ito, ang ginamit natin ay individual moving range. As you can see, so no data falls outside the control limit. So where to find naman this control chart? So same din. So stat, control chart for variable chart for individuals, then your IMR. So later natin siya gagawin. So, when to use if you're going to collect a data in subgroup. So, ang sabi natin, 1 to 8, so X bar R chart, more than 9 or more, X bar S chart. Okay? For data counts of defectives or defects, we're going to use attribute control chart, just like for P chart, C chart, and U chart. Okay? Same considerations for data considerations. Same din po for IMR chart, yung ginamit natin. Okay? Just like data should be continuous, should be in time order, should be collected at appropriate time intervals, should be individual observations that are not collected in subgroups, should include at least 100 total observations, should be moderately normal, should not be correlated with each other. Okay. Yan. So, say for example, ito, nasa inyo na rin yung data nito. A quality engineer monitors the manufacture of liquid detergent and wants to assess whether the process is in control. The engineer measures the pH of 25 consecutive batches of detergent. The engineer creates an IMR chart to monitor the detergent process. So, ang i-open naman natin ngayon is yung ating detergent pH. Yan. Na-open nyo na. Okay. So, I can see Desiree, Mabel, Ayla, Trisha, John Luis. How about the others? John Gerald, Raylene, Thea, Fe, Trisha. Okay. Then you click Stat again. Control chart. Then control chart for individuals. And your IMR. Okay. So you will be directed dito. Sa variables natin, you click the pH. Okay? Pag na-click na si pH, click natin si IMR options. Okay? Punta tayo kay test. Then, same. Test 1, 2, and 7 ang ating gagamitin. Then, i-click natin si okay. Ala. NK points. Ano? Not ano pala, sorry. Hindi kasali yung test 7. 1 and 2 lang, sorry. For the individual moving range, so we are just going to use test 1 and test 2. Since we are not sure which test apply in our specific situation, so we'll just use test 1 and test 2. For X bar R chart, X bar S chart, we are going to use test 1, 2, and 7. For IMR, test 1 and 2 alone. Okay? Then, click natin si OK. Then, click OK again. Yan. Same ba tayo ng graph? For individual value, kindly check. Yes, okay. So, anong nakita nyo sa graph ninyo? Sa individual value? Saang point nag-failed? Anybody? Why are you looking at me? Saang point nag-failed?
Sa 8 po.
Yes, okay. So, ang sabi dito, so let's interpret the result. So, the moving range chart, first, to examine the process. So, ito muna ang ating baba. Palagi yung pangalawa. Ano? The moving range, okay, so none of the points are outside the control limit, as you can see. So thus the process variation is in control and the quality engineer can examine the process center of the individual chart. So yung taas natin, the eye chart. So one observation failed, sabi nga natin sa test 8. Ano, because the observation is more than the 3 standard deviation above the center line. O, ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so meron bang mahirap for that one? Ano mahirap for X bar R, X bar S, and IMR? Mas madali pa pag sa Minitab kaysa sa manual. Opo. Kasi yung manual computation, bagsak kayo. Yeah. Then how about the capability analysis? Some of you also failed the sa capability yung last exam, last question. Di ba yun ay upper specification limit minus your X bar divided by 3 standard deviation or X bar minus your lower specification limit divided by 3 standard deviation. Anong mahirap doon? Ba't mali ang answer? Tapos yung number 4 din, mali din kayo. Okay? So if that's the case, so use normal capability analysis to evaluate the potential and overall capability of your process based on a normal distribution. Using this analysis, you can do the following. So determine whether the process is capable of producing output that meets customer requirements. Compare the overall capability of the process with its potential capability to assess opportunity for improvement. Okay, so where to find this analysis? So later, let's try sa Minitab. Okay, so when to use an alternative analysis? If you do not know whether your process data are in control or whether they can be evaluated using a normal distribution, use normal capability 6 packs to assess these assumptions before you use this analysis. If your data are non-normal and you want to evaluate process capability by fitting a non-normal distribution rather than by transforming your data, use non-normal capability analysis. If you have attribute data such as counts of defectives or defects, use binomial capability analysis or Poisson capability analysis. Okay, what are the data considerations for normal capability analysis? First, your data needs to be continuous. Collect enough data to obtain reliable estimates of process capability. Data should be collected in rational subgroup if possible. The process must be stable and in control, and the data should follow a normal distribution. Okay. So say for example, an engineer manufacturer uses a forging process to make piston rings. The quality engineer wants to assess the process capability. They collect 25 subgroups of 5 piston rings and measure the diameters. The specification limits for piston ring diameter are 74 millimeter plus minus 0.05 millimeter. The engineers perform normal capability analysis to evaluate the diameter of the piston rings in relation to the specification limit. Okay. So, sige daw. Let's open your piston ring. Open natin si piston ring. Na-open na po. Yes or no? Okay. I can see kamay and heart. Okay. So, click natin ulit si stat. Click natin si quality tools. Quality tools na tayo ha. Click si not control chart tayo. Quality tools. Then capability analysis. Then normal. Na-follow? Na-follow? Yes. Again? Again ulit. Stat, quality tools, capability analysis, then normal. Okay? Sa single column, lagay natin si diameter. Okay? Na-follow? Nakasunod po. Okay. Then sa subgroup size, type natin si 5. O type in nyo si 5. Okay? Ano bang sabi dun sa ano natin?
Sir, Mark, na tinuro mo to,
73.95 ano?
Excel lang.
Okay, tapos wait lang ha, balikan ko lang yung problem. 74, tama. Okay, 74 plus minus. Okay. Tapos, balik. Sa ating lower spec, click 73, click. Type nyo 73.95. Lower spec, 73.95. And sa upper natin, since siya ay plus minus 0.05, type nyo si 74.05. Okay? So, una, si diameter, then tinype natin si 5 sa subgroup size. Then, sa lower specification, tinype natin si 73.95. Then, sa upper specification, 74.05. Hindi nyo i-click si OK, ha? Hindi i-click si OK. Ang i-click natin ay si option. Okay, click si option. Na-click na si option. Pag kinilik agad si OK, babalik kayo. Okay? Yan. So, pag na-click nyo na si option, doon sa target, add CPM to table, you type 74. I-type si 74. Then, saka natin i-click si OK and another OK. Na-follow ga? O babalik tayo?
Mali.
Okay. Na-follow naman pala. Better. Okay? So, dapat ang lalabas na result ay kagaya nung nasa inyong screen. Now. Okay? So, sa process data, the lower specification limit is 73.95. Ang target natin is 74. The upper specification is 74.05. The sample mean is 74. The N is 125. Standard deviation is 0.010. 1989. Standard deviation within is 0.0100509. Okay? Yan. For the overall capability, so you have, what is PP? PPPU. Aba, CPM. Wait, CPK, 1.62. CP is ratio, 1.66. Capability ratio si CPK is index. Okay? Yan. So, as the interpretation po, so all the measurements are within the specification limits. The process is on the target, and the measurements are approximately centered between the specification limits. The capability indices, you have the CPK, PPK, and CPM are all greater than 1.33. So, 1.33, wait lang, balikan natin si problem. Ang galing si 1.33. 1.33, wait. Si 1.33. Which is generally accepted minimum value for a capable process. Dahil dapat that should be what? Greater than, the value should be 1 or greater than 1 to be acceptable or capable, right? So therefore, the engineer concludes that the forging process meets the requirements for the diameter of the piston ring. Now, 1 point. That should be what? 1 point. Tingnan natin yung dito. Nakuha for capability, analysis, even the interpretation naman, di ba, is madali lang if you're going to interpret. Okay. So, try natin yung mga past example natin. So, try natin gamitan ng Minitab is if same answer ba yung lalabas. Okay. Next. Tapos na. Wait. Meron pa tayong isa. Nagamit ba natin yung isa? What is can? You have detergent. Ano pa? Can weight. Ang can weight ay can weight. Detergent. Saan ang injection molding? Saglit lang po. Documents. Saan natin ginamit ang injection molding? Meron ba? Wala. Wait. Meron tayo. Ginamit natin si camshaft. Alam ko na. Canway. Detergent. At saka si piston. Wait lang po. Anong inopen ko?
Sir Mark. Di ka talaga.
Canway. Detergent. Piston. Wala pala. Okay. Nag-gets ba ng Nag-gets nyo ba? Na-follow ninyo? Lahat? Yes? Okay. So, I'll be sending the PPT for those who fail to follow. Okay? You can try again. Okay? Para pagka tayo ay nag-solve you try din pala to solve the problems or example. Kaya lang, actually, yung example natin ay sobrang haba ng mga data. So, it will be difficult for you to input. So, hanap na lang tayo ng maikse. Just like yung exam natin. So, let's try to put that to solve or compute using Minitab. Okay? So, next meeting pala, our klase naman is about Minitab for attributes. Okay? So, do you have any question? Sino wala? Bakit tayo ay 49 lang? Sinong absent? So, tingnan natin kung sinong nawawala, ha? So, ito lang ang meron. Check natin yung attendance with this picture kung sino ang wala. Okay? So, may question po kayo. For, yung kaninang binanggit ko, I'll try to hanap your paper. Before I release the scores, So that's ano pa, not final I guess. Baka kasi may mga corrections pa. So let's recheck sa face-to-face class natin. Okay? So kung wala ng question, thank you for today. We'll meet again sa Friday, 8:30 to 10. We'll meet again in the future. Okay, so thank you very much. Yan, you may live na legitimate. God bless everyone and keep safe as always. Bye-bye.